China actually has one of the oldest medical systems in existence with a rich oral and written tradition. There's a lot to be learned from understanding how systems of traditional medicine were able to discover effective natural medicines thousands of years ago without modern science or technology. Chinese medicine is heavily influenced by traditional Chinese philosophy. The concept of qi, or life energy, as well as yin and yang, are important aspects of Chinese medicine. Esoteric understandings of spiritual energy and the human body are intertwined with more grounded and physiological concepts in Chinese medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, has evolved over thousands of years. TCM practitioners use various psychological and/or physical approaches, such as acupuncture and tai chi, as well as herbal products to address health problems. Acupuncture is a technique in which practitioners stimulate specific points on the body, usually by inserting thin needles through the skin. Studies suggest that acupuncture stimulates the release of the body's natural painkillers and affects areas in the brain involved in processing pain. Tai Chi combines certain postures, gentle movements, mental focus, breathing, and relaxation. Research findings suggest that practicing Tai Chi may improve balance and stability in older people and those with Parkinson's disease, reduce pain from knee osteoarthritis, help people cope with fibromyalgia and back pain, and promote quality of life and improve mood in people with heart failure. Chinese herbal products have been studied for many medical problems, including stroke, heart disease, mental disorders, and respiratory diseases, such as bronchitis and the common cold. Because many studies have been of poor quality, no firm conclusions can be made about their effectiveness.